Imagine making $10,000 a month on YouTube without ever picking up a camera, recording your voice, or even showing your face. Sounds crazy, right? But thousands of smart creators are already doing it. And the best part, you can do it too, especially if you are smart in 2025. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 hidden niches that are exploding right now, but very few people are talking about. Stay until the end because number 1 could easily be your golden ticket to financial freedom. If you are new here, welcome. I help ambitious creators like you turn into real online business. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in 2025, hit the subscribe button and let's dive right in. Before we jump into the secret niches, let's quickly make sure we are on the same page. YouTube automation is where you outsource the content process. You hire scriptwriter, voiceover artist, editors to create video for you. You own the channel, you collect the money, they do the work. Think of it like running a digital media company. The next question is, why picking the right niche is everything? You could have the best editing and thumbnail in the world, but if you're in the wrong niche, you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table. That's why today I'm not just giving you any niche, I'm giving you secret high CPM niches where advertisers pay big bucks. Number 5, personal finance, investing for beginners. Channel teaching basic investing tips are blowing up. Americans are hungry for smart money advice, and they pay the most for finance ads. Number 4, AI is not a trend. It's a tsunami. Channels posting AI tutorials, AI news, and future predictions are getting massive attention. Number 3, luxury lifestyle. People are obsessed with the luxury life. Private jets, Lamborghinis, Dubai trip, and guess what? You can easily create slideshow videos around this with zero filming. Number 2, health and wellness hack. Short and animated videos about sleep hacks, diet tips, or productivity are gold. Plus, advertisers in the health niche pay big for ad space. And finally, number 1, entrepreneurship motivation. Motivational video about entrepreneurship, quotes, millionaires mindset, faceless voiceover driven content that dominates on YouTube. Quick question for you. Which of these niche would you start first? Comment below. I reply to every comment. So how to start first? Here's your simple 3-step action plan to start. Pick your niche from today's list. Find freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork. Upload consistently and use powerful thumbnail and SEO. So 2025 isn't the year to just watch others win. It's your year to finally build your own passive income machine. If you found this value today, smash the like button, subscribe for weekly videos, weekly tips, and grab my free YouTube automation. I'll break down exactly how much you can earn from a Faceless channel.